NHS Individual Project, A Moment of Joy by Melanie Reyes. Introduction. For my individual service project, I created handmade crafts that could brighten a senior adult's day. In addition, I decorated lunch bags for the senior adults' meal. For this project, I worked for the Johnson County Human Services and the Meals on Wheels organization. My service was for a vulnerable community, which are the elderly, and I was hopeful that my project could give them a moment of joy. I served for the Johnson County Human Services and the Meals on Wheels organization, and I worked on this service from my house. Firstly, I bought the materials that were needed to create the placemats. Then I took the measurements to cut them. After that, I cut the fabric in a rectangular shape, and I cut the strips to tie the placemat, and I also cut the pocket in which the person could place the cutlery. Next, I sew each placemat with its details by hand. After finishing with the placemats, I began to work on decorating the paper lunch bags, in which I first took the measurements to fold them 5 centimeters down from top. Then I created ribbons to decorate the top of the bag, and with white paper I cut pieces in the shape of a cloud in which I wrote "Enjoy your lunch" and decorated it to glue it at the center of the bag. Moreover, I put stickers and drew pictures of foods such as fruits, vegetables, etc. I began working on this project on January 26 until February 10, in which I worked on it for 2 hours each day. At the end, I created 14 placemats and 25 lunch bags. These are the pictures of my project step by step. Conclusion. In conclusion, I enjoyed this project because I was doing something that I like to do to help others and brighten their day. At first, the obstacle that I faced was to find materials of good quality, since I had to follow specific requirements because it was for vulnerable people. Also, I had to find paper bags of a specific size and decorate them in a way that was neutral. I was not able to do a big quantity of each thing because I had to sew the placemats by hand and I had a short amount of time. As a result, next time I would like to find help such as of a machine so that I can have a bigger quantity of products. However, I believe that I was still successful with the final product and feel the requirements needed. I am happy with the final product because I use colors and decoration that can cause happiness for this specific community and help these organizations by providing the materials that they need to continue helping the elderly. Moreover, this service project impacted me because it challenged me to finish it in a short time, and it brought me happiness because I was able to help the community and bring them joy. Also, it motivated me to continue developing this skill to help others. Thank you for your time.